breaking news. Former President Donald Trump's attorney says the conviction in his criminal hush money trial, quote, cannot stand, saying evidence and testimony in the trial should have been protected under presidential immunity.
Now, this comes after yesterday's ruling by the Supreme Court that official acts by the former president have absolute immunity. And this will likely push back the sentencing, which was scheduled for next week. Let's get right to Eyewitness News reporter Lauren Glassberg. She is in the newsroom. Lauren?
Sandra and Pedro, this is certainly the domino effect. We are already seeing the implications of yesterday's Supreme Court ruling, which protects the president or former president from criminal prosecution for official acts while in office. Former President Donald Trump's legal team immediately sought to get his conviction in New York thrown out after that Supreme Court ruling yesterday. And now the Manhattan District Attorney has agreed to delay that sentencing on that conviction. It was supposed to happen July 11th, which is next Thursday. On May 30th, Trump was convicted on 34 counts of falsifying business records in an effort to cover up a sex scandal in the lead up to the 2016 election. He was facing up to 4 years in prison, house arrest, or probation. The district attorney's office says it won't oppose Trump's request to get his conviction tossed, but the DA says they believe there is no merit to the argument. Most of the crimes that Trump was convicted of happened while he was a candidate, not president. The Supreme Court's ruling yesterday offers presidential immunity, and that will likely be what the DA is focusing on. Prosecutors asked for 2 weeks to respond to the defense motion. Now, New York Supreme Court Judge Juan Merchan has yet to rule on Trump's request to file his motion, or he has yet to make any determination about the sentencing date. It is up to him, but with the DA agreeing to a delay in sentencing, it is very likely that that delay will happen.